Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice exponential equation, which is 4 to power a. This is equal to 400. What is the value of a? Now, let's prevent the solution from here. We have 4 to power a. This is equal to 400. To solve for a, we introduce logarithm on both sides so that we have log 4 to power a. This is equal to log 400. We find that log 4 to power a, this is in the form of log a to power n, which we can express as n log a. Now, applying this logarithm property, then this implies that log 4 to power a becomes a log 4. This is equal to log 400. So let's divide both sides by log 4. Here by log 4. So let's simplify here. Log 4 and log 4 simplifies so that a is equal to log 400 over log 4. Now this implies that we can express 400 as 4 times 100. So let's substitute this. We have that a is equal to log 400 over log 4. We can express 400 as 4 times 100. Let's substitute this so that a is equal to log 4 times 100 over log 4. The next step is that log 4 times 100, this is in the form of log a times b, which we can express as log a plus log b. Now, applying this logarithm property from here, we find that a will be equal to log 4 over log 4, then plus log 100 plus log 4. The next step is to simplify here. Log 4 divided by log 4, this is 1. So that a is equal to 1 plus log 100 over log 4. The next step is that we can express 100 as 25 times 4. So let's substitute this here. So this is the same thing as a is equal to 1 plus log 25 times 4. All this divided by log 4. Now we have that log 25 times 4. This is in the form of log a times b, which we can express as log a plus log b. Applying this property, here we have a is equal to 1 plus log 25 divided by log 4, then plus log 4 divided by log 4. So let's simplify here. Log 4 and log 4 simplifies. So this is 1. So we have that a is equal to 1 plus 1, then plus log 25 divided by log 4. So this implies that a is equal to 1 plus 1, this is 2, plus this is log 25 over log 4. We can express 25 from here as 5 to power 2. And we can express 4 as 2 to power 2. So this implies here we have that a is equal to 2 plus log 5 to power 2 divided by log 2 to power 2. Now we have that a is equal to 2 plus log 5 to power 2 divided by log 2 to power 2. Now log 5 to power 2, by applying the power rule property, that is log a to power n. This can be expressed as n log a. Let's again apply this property so that now here we have a will be equal to 2 plus log 5 to power 2 becomes 2 log 5 divided by log 2 to power 2, which we can express as 2 log 2. So let's simplify here by 2 1 by 2 1. So this implies that a is equal to 2 plus this is log 5 over log 2. And you find that log 5 divided by log 2, this is in the form of log a over log b, which we can express as log a to base b. Applying this logarithm property, then we have that a is equal to 2 plus log 5 to base 2. Applying this property, then a is equal to 2 plus log 5 to base 2. Now this is the value of a. So the next step from here is to verify that this value of a satisfies the equation. So let's verify from here. Now let's verify here. If you recall from here, we have that 4 to power a, this is equal to 400. So this should give us a value of 400. Let's substitute a. So we have 4 to power 2 plus log 5 to base 2. This is supposed to give us a value of 400. So you find that 4 to power 2 plus log 5 to base 2, this is in the form of a to power n plus m, which we can express as a to power n times a to power m. Applying this exponent property, then here we have 4 to power 2 times 4 to power log 5 to base 2. This is supposed to give us a value of 400. Now the next step is that 4 to power 2, this is the same thing as 4 times 4, and this is equal to 16. So this implies that here we have 16 times, here we have 4 raised to power log 5 to base 2. But we can express 4 as 2 to power 2. Now we can express 4 as 2 to power 2, substituting this here. This is 16 times 2 to power 2 multiplied by log 5 to base 2. This should give us a value of 400. Then you find that 2 to power 2 raised to power log 5 to base 2, this is in the form of a to power n raised to power m, which we can express as a to power n times m. Applying this exponent property, then here we have 16 times, now this becomes 2 raised to power 2 log 5 to base 2. This is supposed to give us a value of 400. Now you find that this is a power, so this means we can express this as 2 raised to power log 5 to power 2 to base 2. This is supposed to give us a value of 400. Now this implies that from here, 2 raised to power log 5 squared to base 2, this is in the form of m raised to power log a to base m, which is equal to a. So this implies that 2 to power log 5 to power 2 to base 2, this is equal to 5 squared. So 5 squared, this is the same thing as 25. So let's substitute this. Here we have 16 times 25. This is supposed to give us a value of 400. So we have 16 times 25. So 6 times 5, this is 30. So 0 carry 3. 1 times 5 plus 3. So this is 8. 6 times 2, this is 12. Carry 1, then 1 times 2. This is 2. 2 plus 1, this is 3. So here we have 0. 8 plus 2, 10. 0, carry 1. So this is 400. So we have that 400 is equal to 400. That is the left add side is equal to the right add side. And this proves that the value of A, which is equal to 2 plus log 5 to base 2, satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps, like this video and subscribe. Like this video and subscribe. See you in the next video.